Organicello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, baby organic foods versus bakery food. As parents, we always want to provide the best for our children. And it's essential to make a choice between organic baby foods and bakery food. So, let's dive in and explore the differences and benefits of each. First, let's talk about organic baby foods. These foods are grown and produced without the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Organic baby foods are also free from genetically modified organisms and artificial additives. By choosing organic baby foods, you are ensuring that your child is consuming healthy and natural ingredients that are beneficial for their growth and development. Now, let's discuss bakery food. Baking is a great way to prepare tasty and nutritious meals for our children. Baking contains various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for their overall health. However, it's essential to choose bakery food that is made from high-quality ingredients and free from added sugars, artificial colors, and flavors. When choosing between organic baby foods and bakery food, it's essential to consider your child's age, dietary preferences, and nutritional needs. If your child is between 6 months and 3 years old, opt for organic baby foods as they are designed to meet their developmental needs. However, if your child is older or has specific dietary requirements, bakery food can be a good option to consider. In conclusion, both organic baby foods and bakery food have their own merits and drawbacks. It's essential to choose food that is tailored to your child's age, dietary needs, and preferences. By doing so, you are ensuring that your child is receiving the best nutrients possible. So, think about your child's age and preferences when making a choice between organic baby foods and bakery food.